All of the audio that you're going to hear in this video was recorded originally at 24-bit 96 kilohertz. We're using this simple setup that you see here. We're using the Presonus Firestudio mobile. It's a great interface. We're recording using the built-in preamps on the front, and we are using Presonus Studio One version 2.5 as our software. For our first example, we're going to use the Sennheiser E602 pointed directly at the beater of the kick drum, and a Neumann TLM 102 condenser mic about right in the middle of the three drums. I'm being careful not to get too close to the snare as to still pick up the toms kind of the sides. As you can see, the Neumann did a great job of picking up a nice balanced image of the entire kit. With just a little processing, some gentle EQ and compression, you can get a great sound. In our next example, we're going to again use the Sennheiser E602 on the kick drum and a Shure SM57 to capture the rest of the kit. It's going to be pretty much in the same place as the Neumann was, just trying to capture a nice balanced sound between all the drums. The SM57 does a surprisingly great job here. Again, just a little bit of processing can make this sound great. Next up, we've got the same mic on the kick drum and an Earthworks SR77, or the current model, the SR30, on the overhead position. Let's see how that sounds. This time we're going to use the Sennheiser E902 on the kick. It's got a brighter attack to it. And for a slightly warmer tone, on the top we're going to use a Shure KSM 313 ribbon microphone. Now again, this is a much warmer microphone. It's bidirectional, so it's not going to pick up the toms as well, but it might be what you're looking for if that's what the track calls for. You know, it's going to roll off a lot of that high-end content as well. Next, we're going to try using a couple of AKG C414Bs put up in a stereo pair over the kit. This gives you a nice wide stereo image, and let's take a listen. And let's try it one more time. This time we're going to just bring the mics down just a few inches on either side to get a little bit more of a direct sound on the kit.